objectives of this lesson is to evaluate logarithms. Evaluating logarithms. Find the value of the following logarithm. Here we're given log base 2 of 16. The first step toward evaluating a logarithm is to set it equal to x. So I'm going to take the log there, set it equal to x. The next step is to rewrite it in exponential form. So convert it, go from logarithmic form to exponential form. Recall from the previous video that I told you about the snail pattern or the circle that's counterclockwise. So you would take the base and you would say 2 raised to the x power equals 16. And so what I want to know is, what number do I have to raise the base of 2 in order to get 16? And the correct answer is 4, because 2 multiplied 4 times is going to give me 16. So x equals 4. And there you have it. Evaluating logarithms. In this example, we're asked to find the value of the following logarithm. So here we're given log base 1/3 of 9. So step 1 is to set the log equal to x. Step 2, rewrite the log in exponential form. When we do so, moving counterclockwise in a snail-like pattern, 1/3 raised to the x power equals 9. And what we want to find out is, what is x? What number will I have to raise 1/3 to in order to get 9? If you said -2, that is correct, because recall that if you have a fraction and it is raised to a negative power, you have to flip it, which means the number on the bottom will come to the top and vice versa. So you would have 3 squared, which will give you 9. And there you have it. The answer is x equals -2. In this example, we're given a log and asked to find the value of it. So to evaluate a log, recall, step 1 is to set the log equal to x. Step 2, rewrite the log in exponential form. So moving in a counterclockwise snail-like pattern, I'm going to say 2, the base of 2, raised to the x power equals 1/16. So I need to know, what number do I raise to in order to get 1/16. That's correct. The answer has to be a negative, because I know that 2 to the 4th power, a positive 4, 2 to the 4th power is 16. So in order for 16 to be at the bottom, the number would have to be a negative. So it's 2 to the -4. And once you flip it, that is what will give you 1/16. So here the answer, x equals -4, because it is the number that I have to raise the base to in order to get 1/16. In this example, we're asked to evaluate the log base 1/6 of 1/36. So recall, step 1 is to set the log equal to x. Step 2, rewrite the log in exponential form. Recall the snail or the circular counterclockwise pattern. 1/6 raised to the x power equals 1/36. So what we need to know is, what number are we going to raise 1/6 to in order to get 1/36? And actually, all we have to do is just square 1/6, because 1/6 times 1/6 equals 1/36. And there you have it, x equals 2, because 2 is the number that I have to raise that base to in order to get the output of 1/36. So again, the answer is x equals 2. And there you have it, evaluating logarithmic